I spent weeks building my first author website. I paid $20 a month for hosting, I paid for Mailchimp, and I still didn't love the result. But then I rebuilt the entire thing with Claude in 1 hour for free. Now, before you click away thinking, oh, here's another AI bro trying to sell me something, hear me out. I didn't use Claude to write my novels. I used it to do the technical stuff I'm terrible at. Website design, hosting migration, email service setup, custom domains and DNS configuration. All the boring, necessary infrastructure that takes forever to figure out and costs money every month. I'm TJ Stecker, and if you're an author trying to build your platform on a budget, then this one's for you. Hit that subscribe button. Let's talk about using AI for what it's actually good for. Not replacing your writing, but handling the technical grunt work. So here's where I started. I needed an author website. Every agent, every publisher, every writer conference, they tell you, you need an author platform. You need a website. So I built one myself. I watched tutorials. I tried Wix. I tried WordPress. I tried Squarespace. I even tried PubSite. Every single one had the same core problem. I'm not a web designer. I could make something functional, but it wasn't professional. The layout was clunky. The navigation didn't make sense. And every time I wanted to change something, I had to Google how to do it. Eventually, I just paid for a hosting service and their template builder. $20 a month plus another $10 or $15 for Mailchimp just to manage my newsletter subscribers. So I'm paying $35 a month for a website that I don't really love and an email list I can't really use. And here's the thing, I'm not trying to become a web developer. I'm trying to write novels. But you need the infrastructure. You need the place where readers can sign up for your newsletter and find your books. So you have these options. You either pay somebody to build it for you, you pay monthly for services, or spend weeks trying to build up skills that you'll use once and maybe never again. Those are my options until I tried something different. I ran into a friend. He said, well, I just saw the most impressive podcast about these guys building a website from scratch just by using a few prompts in Claude. He said, do you know Claude? And I said, I do know Claude. It's an AI tool, right? He said, yeah. So I thought about that. I went home and I opened up my computer and I typed into Claude, build me an author website. And here's what I want on it. I described my brand, fire theme, dark but inviting, professional but not corporate, a home page, an about page, a books page, and a contact page. Claude would ask a few clarifying questions for like, what's your color scheme? Do I want newsletter sign up? Do I want dark mode? After those few questions were answered, it built the entire website. HTML, all custom coded. I downloaded the file and opened it in the browser, and I couldn't believe it. It looked amazing. Not fill in as somebody else's template good, but actually good. Fire-themed animations, smooth transitions, mobile adaptive and dark mode toggle, newsletter sign-up integrated. Everything I wanted, everything I was expecting to be there, plus more, things that I hadn't even considered. It embedded my YouTube channel, Fireside Writer, right there on the website. All that in 1 hour. And it gets better. I was still paying $20 a month for hosting, so I asked Claude, can I host this for free somewhere? Claude gave me options of free hosting sites and recommendations about which one would be best for my platform. And then it walked me through how to post it onto Netlify, a free hosting platform. It showed me how to set up my own custom domain, how to figure my DNS settings with GoDaddy, stuff that would have taken me days to figure out. Claude walked me through it step by step. And then I said, I'm paying $15 a month for Mailchimp. Is there a free alternative? And Claude said, yes, try Brevo. It's free. Here's how to migrate your list. It walked me through exporting my Mailchimp subscribers and importing them into Brevo, setting up sign-up forms and configuring email templates. So by the end of that hour, I had a website I actually liked, free email service saving $15 a month, custom domain setup, newsletter integration, dark mode and mobile responsive design. Now my monthly cost is $0. Total time, 1 hour. Here's what I want to be clear about. I'm not telling you to go to Claude and have it write your novel. I'm using it for technical tasks that I don't have time to learn and I don't want to pay somebody else to do. That's the distinction. Claude is a tool, like Excel, like Word, like Scrivener, like ChatGPT. It's really good at certain things, like writing code, explaining technical processes, migrating data, configuring DNS. But it's not good at writing your novels. It's not good at developing your voice. It can't create authentic stories. It will never replace human creativity. So if you're using AI to write your books, we're not on the same page. But if you're using AI to build your infrastructure so you can focus on writing your books, that's smart. I don't want to spend 10 hours learning how to forward email through Improv MX. I want Claude to walk me through it in 5 minutes so I can get back to writing. I don't want to spend $35 a month when free alternatives exist. I want Claude to tell me which ones work and show me how to set them up. That's efficiency. So if you're an author who needs a website but doesn't want to learn web development or pay monthly fees, here's what I recommend. Step 1, use Claude or ChatGPT or whatever AI tool you want to use to build your website. Describe what you want, let it integrate the code and download the files. Step 2, have it walk you through hosting it for free somewhere. I use Netlify. Step 3, have it migrate your newsletter. Claude will show you how to export and import. It's that simple. And step 4, set up your custom domain. If you already own your domain, Claude will show you how to point it to your new hosting site. Total monthly cost, $0, minus the domain registration, which I think for me was $20 a year. Total time, maybe 2 hours if you've never done any of this before, which I hadn't. And here's the best part. If you get stuck, just ask Claude. That's what it's there for. Look, I'm not trying to tell you that AI is the future or that it's going to replace all us writers. I'm here to tell you that it saved me $420 a year and gave me a website I actually like. That's real, and that's practical. If you want to see what I built, head over to tjstecker.com. That's the website that Claude helped me create. Fire themed, custom coded, hosted for free. And if you want to stay updated on my path to publication, sign up for my newsletter while you're there. It's also free and built with Claude's help. This isn't about replacing your creativity. This is about removing technical barriers so you can focus on what matters, writing great books. New videos every week right here on Fireside Writer. Now go write something.